Did you know that Figure 1.0 has a magic trick to make a pocket stop exactly where you want? I will tell you how to make it. In this tutorial, we will discuss about up to face in Pocket Tool. The up to face function is the pocket extend until it touches a user selected face. In this material, this is the material practice for practice, have a two surface, 1 and 2. If you use Pocket Tool with type of up to face, you can use to make pocket in one surface or two surface. You can use one of them. And in this material, we will make a pocket in the bottom. Start in the bottom. This is sketch to pocket, and we will practice it. First, click pocket, click up to face. After that, you can choose select face to choose face do you want to stop the pocket. I will choose this surface. And the pocket stop at the top or in my selected face. From bottom until in the top. I will choose another face, select face, the pocket start in the bottom and stop at my selected face. This is my selected face. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, you can like my video and subscribe. And thanks, amigo. Bye bye.